GK Kids.
Story of Ant and Lion. In a jungle, a powerful lion ruled over the entire forest. He was very proud of himself, and all the animals in the jungle were afraid of him. One day, the lion was wandering in the jungle when he saw a line of ants. Lion, hey, where are you all ants going in a line? Ant, we are searching for food. In such a big jungle, we might get lost, so we are following this line. Lion, this jungle belongs to me, I am the king here. You shouldn't be afraid of me. Ant, what fear do we have? You can eat big animals, that's why they are afraid of you. We are too small for you to bother with. Lion, alright, I will crush all of you in one go. You will all be finished. Ant, go ahead, we don't have time for this now. Let's meet another time and you can try then. Lion, wait, let me show you now. Saying this, the lion tries to step on them, but they enter into a small hole where the lion's paw can't reach. The lion gets very angry. While the lion is in anger, a cheetah approaches him. Cheetah, what's the matter, Your Majesty? You seem very troubled. The lion tells the cheetah everything. Cheetah, just leave it, Your Majesty. I will tell you a way to teach these ants a lesson. But don't tell anyone about this plan, or the other animals in the jungle will stop fearing you. This will not only harm you but also me because I get the leftover food from you. Lion, forget all that, just tell me the plan. Cheetah, near a tree, there is a beehive. We will bring some honey from there and place it on a leaf in the field. When the ants come to eat it, you can crush them under your paw. Lion, but how will the honey come down from such a height? Cheetah, Your Majesty, I will ask the honeybee for some honey. Lion, alright, tomorrow morning bring the honey to the field. The cheetah goes to the honeybee. Cheetah, honeybee, give me some honey. Our king lion is not feeling well, he will eat honey. If you don't give honey, the king will break your hive. The honeybee gets scared and gives honey to the cheetah. The next day, the cheetah brings honey to the field and waits for the lion. Meanwhile, the news of the lion's illness spreads to other animals. This news also reaches the ants. Ant, friends, look, the lion has collected honey to trap us. So, from today onwards, no ant will come out of its nest. Only 4 of us will go and face that lion. The next day, the lion and the cheetah wait in the field with the honey placed on a leaf. The 4 ants slowly approach the lion and cheetah. The lion and cheetah keep an eye on the leaf. 2 ants quietly climb up the lion and cheetah and enter their ears, biting them. The lion and cheetah start itching and scratching their ears. In the meantime, the leaf is moved from their sight. After that, the 4 ants pick up the leaf and carry it to their nest in the roots of a tree. The lion and cheetah keep scratching their ears for a long time. When they realize, they see that there is no leaf or honey there. Seeing this, the lion understands that winning against ants is not in his control. The lion goes near the ant's nest. Lion, sister, forgive me, you are small but you defeated me. Now, I will never be proud again.